What is up, my internet friends? Hope you're having a fabulous day. We're back at the Jeep. We've got the head on and bolted down. We had to find a one of those. This is the first time we've ever had to use a 12-point socket. So we had to find a 12-point socket to go over these bolts. But my question, now that we've got it almost ready and almost put back together, what do you think the first mod should be? I'm kind of leaning towards lifting tires, but I don't know. What do you guys think? That's what I want to know is
tires.
Huh?
Lifting tires.
Lifting tires. I know I want to change out the headlights. That's a minor mod, so I don't know.
That's a definite too. Headlights.
I want LEDs, but let me know what you think should be. Let me know what you think my first mod should be on the XJ. I think it'd look cool with some new tires and the lift. I'm trying to convince Kyle to give me his tires because I think that'd look better. What do you think? Think I should steal Kyle's tires? Think I should steal Kyle's tires? I think those would look great on the XJ. Definitely better than that. So, all right, guys, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys for your support. You guys are awesome. If you want to join our Discord, I've got a Discord set up that we can discuss this. I've also set up a Patreon, and I've got some merch coming. So if you guys want to support that way, let me know. Thank you guys for all of your support. You guys are awesome. Have an amazing day.